Did you know that losing hair volume after the age of 60 doesn't have to be permanent? Many women accept thinning hair and excessive shedding as an unavoidable consequence of the natural aging process. However, modern nutritional science reveals that this process can be significantly slowed down and, in many cases, even reversed. The secret isn't found in expensive lotions or invasive cosmetic treatments, it's actually in your own kitchen. Today, we're going to explore a scientifically supported approach to fighting hair loss and encouraging strong, healthy new hair growth for women over 60. To understand the solution, we first need to understand the root of the problem. As women pass the age of 60, their bodies go through profound hormonal changes. The sharp decline in estrogen and progesterone directly affects the life cycle of hair follicles. Hair spends less time in the anagen phase, the active growth phase, and enters the telogen phase, the shedding stage, much sooner. At the same time, blood circulation in the scalp decreases significantly. As a result, less oxygen and fewer essential nutrients reach the hair follicles. In a very real sense, the follicles begin to starve and gradually shrink, producing thinner, weaker, and less dense strands of hair. Although this is a complex physiological process, it has one clear vulnerability: cellular nutrition. This is exactly where strategic nutritional intervention comes into play. We're not talking about restrictive diets. Instead, we're talking about the smart addition of 5 specific foods that work together in perfect synergy. Synergy means that the combined effect of these foods is far greater than the sum of their individual benefits. Together, they help reduce inflammation, provide the building blocks needed to produce keratin, improve oxygen delivery to the scalp, and protect hair follicles from oxidative stress. If you'd like to restore your hair's thickness and regain your confidence when you look in the mirror, pay close attention to this nutritional protocol. The first pillar of our strategy is eggs, preferably pasture-raised whenever possible. Human hair is made almost entirely of a structural protein called keratin. After the age of 60, this becomes especially important because our body's ability to synthesize protein naturally declines with age. Eggs are one of the highest quality protein sources available. Even more importantly, the yolk is rich in biotin, a B-complex vitamin that plays a fundamental role in keratin production. Without adequate levels of biotin and essential amino acids, your body simply doesn't have the raw materials needed to build strong, healthy hair. The second essential food is spinach, or any other dark leafy green you enjoy. Chronic hair loss in older women is often associated with mild iron deficiencies that may go unnoticed. Iron is absolutely essential because it's required to produce hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, including to the cells that produce new hair. Spinach provides a generous amount of plant-based iron, along with folate, which supports continuous cell renewal inside the hair follicle. A well-oxygenated scalp creates the ideal environment for growing thicker, healthier hair with better natural pigmentation. To further improve scalp health, we also need to reduce the microscopic inflammation that attacks the roots of the hair. That's where our third food comes in: salmon or other fatty fish such as sardines and tuna. These fish are outstanding sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the scalp and create an ideal environment for continuous hair growth. In addition, these healthy fats nourish the sebaceous glands surrounding each follicle, ensuring that new hair grows hydrated, flexible, and less likely to break during brushing or washing. The fourth element of this protocol is pumpkin seeds. This is one of the most underrated superfoods for women's hair health. Pumpkin seeds are exceptionally rich in zinc, an essential trace mineral. Zinc plays a critical role in repairing hair tissue and maintaining the proper function of the sebaceous glands. Even more importantly, the zinc and plant sterols found in pumpkin seeds help regulate hormonal activity. They help modulate the effects of androgens on the scalp. Even in women, sensitivity to residual male hormones can contribute to hair thinning after menopause. Pumpkin seeds act like a natural protective shield. The fifth and final food is what brings this entire nutritional strategy together: citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and kiwis. Their magic lies in their exceptionally high vitamin C content. Remember the plant-based iron from spinach we talked about earlier? The human body has difficulty absorbing non-heme iron on its own. Vitamin C acts as a powerful catalyst, dramatically increasing iron absorption in the digestive tract. Beyond this perfect nutritional partnership, vitamin C is also essential for collagen production. Collagen helps strengthen the tiny blood vessels that nourish the hair follicles. By including eggs, spinach, fatty fish, pumpkin seeds, and citrus fruits in your daily diet, you're doing much more than simply eating healthy. You're following a precise, science-based nutritional strategy designed to reactivate your hair follicles. This is a long-term, inside-out approach that requires consistency. Most people begin noticing results after about 3 to 4 months, which aligns with the natural hair growth cycle. Your hair health is literally in your hands and on your plate. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to our channel so you can continue receiving evidence-based tips about health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video so the algorithm knows it's valuable and can share it with more women looking for real, natural solutions. Share this video with your friends and family. Always remember, when scientific knowledge is put into practice, it has the power to change lives. Take care of your daily nutrition. Take good care of yourself with kindness and consistency. And we'll see you next time with more valuable tips to help you live a healthier life.